Hi, welcome to Kids Gallery. Today we are going to make a house with only 4 papers. So, the materials we need is glue, scissor, permanent marker and stapler. So, we take one paper. Now we have to fold it like this. Next like this, and the same we have to do it. Now we have to fold it to this point, and next we have to fold this way and fold this way, and now we have to take the scissor. And here we have to cut one small door. So we have to cut for a door. So the inside one layer we have to cut only a little bit. Now we have to cut for a little door. Now we have to cut the same door here. So now I am making the same like this type, open type. Now this is good, and I have cut it inside one layer. Now we have 2 doors. Okay. Now this is the one model. This is the one model, and we have to make one more model like this type only. So I have 2 models. Let's take the stapler. Now we have to attach this basement to this basement. This is one side I have stapled it. On the second side also I have to do it the same. Now I have stapled the both sides, this side and this side. Now we have to make the top roof. For that we need one A4 paper, and so the easy trick, you have to fold it like this. Now you have to open it. So I have made the top roof. Now we take the house. It's a bit big, so I will take the scissor and cut a little bit. I have cut only the half. Now after you cut it, make sure it comes in a rectangle shape. Now take the house and put it on top of it. So we do not need to glue it. And so we are putting the back garden. So I take the scissor and cut. So I put it the points for this size only. Now we have to cut a A4 paper like this and fold it like this and like this. So here the little bit we have to fold, and here also. Now we take the house and we take glue and spread it. Spread. Now we have our garden ready. Now we have to take the roof and attach it. Your house is ready. If you want to color it, you can color it. With colored papers, you do not need to color. So our house is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.